We're starting to prep this little area for our spring crops. See, I did a little bit right there. We got asparagus popping up and the raspberries here, so this is what we got to work with. Hi, you're tall.
The short end here, the long end here.
Alright, let's go find your shoes.
But in this area, you're able to walk, okay?
I'm going to get some bug spray out of the van so I can do some weeding. It's Saturday. I got some cleaning done while Kevin was working on the window in the pig barn, and then he got some trees cleared off from the electric fence so we can start getting that set up, because we'd like to get goats this summer. So anyway, I'll get my bug spray out of the van and get to weeding so I can get this garden next weekend, hopefully.
That soul is super loud. I heard it through my hands.
Where are you at now?
The top and the bottom are tight, so it'll mash it like a true concrete fitting would. This will be a pinch factor here, and then we will slide it in from the bottom in order to bolt it in.
Oh.
And then of course a bunch of caulk.
On his brother's foot.
Oh, yeah. Let me see if I...
So this is the window we just installed in the goat barn. One of the tricks that we had to do, because it was meant to go inside a cinder block wall in the basement, is actually right down here. It looks like we cut the lumber messed up. The reality is we cut it short so the screws would draw it into place and really hold it in. Because this window frame is not like a normal window frame, it actually is recessed to set in place properly. But nice thing was that little trick seemed to pay off. If you were to go to the outside of the barn, you'd see a little bit of caulk to make sure no moisture's getting in. And likewise, you'd see that we drew the particle board back to the frame that we built here for this. All right, bye. Turned out well. Better than I expected.
Let's see if I can get the weeds out of here. Friday, I think I got these in there. And then I got the weeds out from these raspberries because they were getting choked out with the grass. And my grapevine's finally leafing out. So that's good. Now I gotta get to work. Oh, does anybody else get rush from weeding? Anyway, I can't even sit in grass with shorts because I get irritated. Also, this is all like, I think, Bermuda grass, crabgrass, something like that. Anybody else have me seriously rethinking no-till gardening? Because it's obviously tilled when you pull out the weeds. Anyway, any suggestions or anything, just let me know.